cover another conditional statement called the if else. Here is the if else block. So we saw the if condition that had only this part. Then we saw the else condition that added this part. Now we are adding one more in between. And this becomes relevant when you have multiple criteria to check for. So a good example would be the age. Based upon the age, what you're eligible for. And here is week 2, demo 3. So where I'm saying based on a person's age, they are eligible for certain things. If you're 6 and older, you can go to kindergarten, right? You can start kindergarten. You're 16 plus, you can drive. 18 plus, you can vote. 21 plus, you can drink. 60 plus, you're a senior and you're eligible for the senior discounts. So I took the liberty of coding these 2 lines to keep the video a little shorter. So you can see that I am actually like getting the age of a person and converting it to a number and keeping it ready for use. So your criteria should be in such a way, it should be written in the hierarchy here matters is what I'm trying to say. For example, a 60 plus person can not only be the senior citizen and receive the discounts, but he can drink, vote, and drive, and he probably finished school, right? So a 21-year-old can drink, vote, drive, and he finished kindergarten. An 18-year-old can vote, drive, and probably is eligible for school, right? A 6-year-old is only eligible for school, cannot do any of that. So you have to like remember that in this particular scenario, at least they are eligible for more things. So you want to like write upside down. So what I mean by that is, if age is greater than or equal to 60, we say console.writeLine, you are eligible for senior discounts or benefits. Okay, so this person is eligible for senior benefits. So if the age is greater than or equal to 21, okay. Okay, so if your age is more than 60, greater than or equal to 60, you're a senior. If you're greater than or equal to 21, you're eligible to drink legally. So these are like specific things. Till you reach the next category, you keep, so from anyone from 21 till 59 will get this message. Anyone from 18 to 20 will get this message. Anyone from 16 to 18 will get this message, and so on and so forth. So let's try all of these conditions. The main advantage of this is that you are not writing like independent if conditions that can override one another. Sometimes if you don't have this else, what happens is like this if condition will be executed and the next if condition will be executed and so on and so forth. And I'll show you that also somewhere in the end. Okay. Age will be 78. You're eligible for senior benefit. So I got the first condition. So the first condition is fulfilled, the rest won't come. Okay. It exits as long as it goes into one if condition, it doesn't execute the rest of the if else or the else condition. Okay, that is what you have to think about. Second one, I'm going to say I'm 45. I am eligible to drink legally. So because it goes through this condition. So I'm not eligible here, but I am eligible here. So whatever I am eligible comes next. Next one is if I say I am 19, I can vote legally. If I say I am 17, I can drive. If I say I am 7 or 8, I can go to school. If I say I'm 2, I'm a baby. Okay, so what happens is instead of using if else if I don't use this and I change this, I will see both the messages for age 60 and above and 21. So age 60, if somebody is age 60, they are also greater than 21, right? So I will get both these messages. If that's what I want to do, it makes sense. If that's not what I want to do, I only want one message, the special message for that age group, then it would not work right, okay? So if I took the else out of this guy, when I run for age 78 that I did before, see, I got both the messages. I got this and this. In this situation, it is correct to get both the messages. There's nothing wrong with it, but that is not my intention. So you have to always think about what is the intention. So my intention is when it's 60 plus, it should just give me saying that I am eligible for senior benefits because that is unique for that age group. Okay, the eligible to drink legally is not unique for that age group. So that is the reason why we use the else if condition. Okay, the else if will prevent when you are like, so for example, if you meet this if condition, so you fail this condition, you fail this condition, you are in this category, it's going to do this and come to the line after here to line 40. It'll like ignore everything else. Okay, and that is the benefit of using the if else statement. Hope you find this video helpful.